are Australian animals. Australia is a country here. Sometimes it's called Down Under. They have very unique animals. This is a kangaroo. Kangaroos move around by hopping. Here is a red kangaroo. Here's a blue kangaroo. Here is a yellow kangaroo. Here is a green kangaroo. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 kangaroos. This is a wombat. Wombats love to dig. Here is a yellow wombat. Here is a green wombat. Here is a red wombat. Here is a blue wombat. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 wombats. This is a crocodile. Crocodiles have been around since the time of the dinosaurs. Here is a green crocodile. Here is a red crocodile. Here is a blue crocodile. Here is a yellow crocodile. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 crocodiles. This is an echidna. Echidnas are covered in spikes. Ouch! Here is a red echidna. Here is a blue echidna. Here is a yellow echidna. Here is a green echidna. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 echidnas. This is a platypus. A platypus has a bill like a duck. Here is a blue platypus. Here is a yellow platypus. Here is a green platypus. Here is a red platypus. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 platypuses. This is a koala. Koalas sleep nearly all night and all day. Here is a blue koala. Here is a yellow koala. Here is a green koala. Here is a red koala. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 koalas. We hope you enjoyed learning about colours, counting and these amazing Aussie animals. To see more great learning videos, click subscribe. Or you can click the links at the end of this video. Bye Aussie animals, hope to see you down under.